Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix audio delay in VLC Media Player. Okay, so first thing you need to open your VLC Media Player, then you click on Tools here, then you select Track Synchronization. After that you will have here Audio Track Synchronization. You just select the delay time. For example, in my case, it is delayed by 5 seconds. So you just select your delay time and then you choose close. And there you go. Here how you can fix your audio delay in VLC Media Player. If you like the video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.